Welcome to this lesson on genes, the fundamental units of heredity. Genes are the biological instructions that make each living organism unique. They are responsible for passing characteristics from parents to their children, generation after generation. Understanding genes is essential to understanding how life works at its most basic level. So, what exactly are genes? Genes are segments of DNA that contain instructions for building and maintaining living organisms. Think of them as tiny instruction manuals written in a chemical code. Each gene carries specific information that tells your cells how to make proteins, which are the building blocks of life. These instructions determine everything from how your body grows to how it functions. To understand genes, we need to understand where they are located. DNA is organized into structures called chromosomes. Within these chromosomes, we find genes. Genes are specific segments of DNA, like chapters in a very long book. Each chromosome contains hundreds or thousands of genes, and each gene has a particular job to do in your body. The primary function of genes is to code for proteins. Proteins are essential molecules that perform countless jobs in your body. They build tissues, fight infections, carry messages between cells, and much more. The proteins that your genes produce ultimately determine your traits and characteristics. This is how genes influence everything about you, from your physical appearance to how your body functions. Genes control a wide variety of traits in living organisms. For example, genes determine your eye color, whether you have brown, blue, green, or hazel eyes. They influence your hair texture, whether it is straight, wavy, or curly. Genes also play a role in determining your height, making some people tall and others short. Even your blood type, whether it is A, B, or O, is determined by genes. Genes are called the units of heredity because they are the means by which traits are passed from parents to offspring. When parents reproduce, they pass copies of their genes to their children. This is why children often resemble their parents. The traits you inherit, from your facial features to certain health conditions, are all transmitted through genes from one generation to the next. Here is something fascinating. Each gene can exist in different forms called alleles. Alleles are variations of the same gene that produce different versions of a trait. For example, the gene for eye color has different alleles. One allele might code for brown eyes, while another codes for blue eyes. The combination of alleles you inherit from your parents determines which version of the trait you will have. Let us summarize what we have learned. Genes are the fundamental units that carry hereditary information from one generation to the next. They are segments of DNA that code for proteins, which in turn determine our traits. Through genes, characteristics are passed from parents to children, making each individual unique while maintaining family resemblances. Understanding genes helps us understand the very essence of life and inheritance.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.